Best Pool Heat Pump, Top 10 Pool Heat Pump 2021, Top Rated. 1. Hayward W3 HP 21404T Heat Pro 140,000 BTUs Pool Heat Pump for in-ground pools. 2. PuriTech Quiet Heat 127,000 BTUs Pool Heat Pump with Optimizer. 3. ComforTemp Swimming Heat Pump by Blue Torrent, 25,000 gallon pool pump, 110,000 BTUs. 4. PuriTech Quiet Heat 127,000 BTUs Pool Heat Pump with Optimizer. 5. Gulfstream Pool Heat Pump HE 150 136,000 BTUs. 6. AquaCal Tropical T90 Heat Pump 96,000 BTUs, DO9 opted, 1 phase, 60 Hz, 220 VR410A. 7. Gulfstream Pool and Spa Heat Pump 136,000 BTUs Electric Heat and Cool HE 150 TA. 8. PuriTech Quiet Heat 112,000 BTUs Pool Heat Pump with Savings Optimizer. 9. Hayward W3 HP 21404T Heat Pro 140,000 BTUs Pool Heat Pump for in-ground pools. 10. PuriTech Quiet Heat 112,000 BTUs Pool Heat Pump with Savings Optimizer.